Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to add friends in War Thunder. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your War Thunder application and make sure that you are logged into your account. At the bottom of the screen, you will be able to see the human icon. Give it a tap and then you will be able to see the player search option. Type in the name of the player or your friend you would like to add to the game and make a search for it. You will be able to see that you have been displayed with a couple of username that matches your search. Select any one player you'd like to add and tap on Add Friend button at the bottom right. Soon after you do that, the player will receive a friend request notification. Once they accept it, they will appear on your friends list. So that's how easily you can add friends on War Thunder. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.